Hello, I'm Claudia Bonifazio. You might remember me from Love Island and now the Traitors. This is my home. Please come in. Well, this is her. She is very bright, as you can see, and a lot of space, which I love. I am obsessed with how warm and bright it is in here. It just makes everything feel very calming and beautiful. I love the warm, earthy tones, so that's kind of what I went with. This dining table, this was actually someone's office desk. She was selling it on Marketplace and I snatched it up. And this is a very big table, so don't even ask me how I got it in this apartment. I also didn't know what to do with decor. I couldn't find any paintings that fit my aesthetic, so guess what I did? I made them myself. And I actually think I did a really good job. Like, people come into my home and always ask me who painted them, and you're looking at the artist, so. My dog accidentally stepped in the wet paint, but I kind of kept it there because it's really cute little paw prints. And now it just makes the painting. Like, how adorable is that? My go-to spot whenever I get home, this is my lounge room, which is very inspired by mid-century 70s style, which me and Austen both agreed was our favorite type of aesthetic. I love this space. I love the colors. I love the woods. I always go for a dark wood. With all the craziness outside that I have to deal with, this makes me feel safe and calm, and I look forward to it honestly every day. This is my infamous mug collection. Every morning that I wake up, I post what mug I'm having, why I'm having that mug, and sets the tone for the day. But if we're talking favorites at the moment, no, I can't talk favorites. They're all my babies. Everyone always asks me, where did this start from? I don't remember. I just blacked out one day, and here we are with probably over 200 mugs. You can't see all of them because they didn't fit. So if my brother's coming over, he'll probably get Shrek. If my boyfriend wants a tea, he'll probably get this one because it's me and him. This was actually given to us by a fan, which was really cute. I have a Spirited Away cup that was handmade. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm obsessed with this Minion mug. This is from Universal Studios Singapore. And then obviously, of course, the egg. This is a crowd favorite with whoever comes to my house. So she stays up here. One of my favorite parts about this apartment is probably the wraparound balcony. There is so much space here, like you could probably go for a run. But this little nook in particular is kind of like my hidden nook. It comes straight from my bedroom. It's where I come to read in the morning, at nighttime. My boyfriend doesn't come out here because he knows it's my time. And it's also the D&M corner. A lot of gossip is being said here. And apparently it's where my dogs love to sunbake. My favorite movie in the world is Coraline, and Wybie is a character in Coraline, and then Coraline. Yeah, we're just Coraline fans over here. Oh shit, I love when she does this. She grabs your hand to like get her to pat you. Welcome to my girl haven. This is my beauty room. My partner was gracious enough to give me the biggest spare room for this room. This is where I shoot all my content. So if you see this backdrop a lot, this is where I am. This is the BTS of it. I have all my makeup storage over here, but there's never enough storage for makeup. To your right, you've got all your perfumes, sunglasses, bags, like genuinely a girl's dream. I luckily enough get gifted a lot from brands, and I put my favorite kind of ones on display over here. These boxes in the corner, they might not look like much. I actually keep every single letter that a brand has sent me, whether they've gifted me something or I've been at an event with them. I do go through them sometimes and just like reminisce with my sister and my best friend of like, I cannot believe I was invited to this, or remember this. What a life some days, you know? But you know what? I haven't shown you my favorite part of this room, so come. Okay, I know what you're thinking, Claudia. This looks like chaos, and it is, but it's organized chaos, okay? This is my favorite shelf. Everything that I love that is near and dear to my heart is on this shelf. Whether that be Disney, Pokemon, we've got messages from my best friend, which I quote daily. Your man could never, but your bestie did. Some of my favorite things on this shelf are all my popcorn buckets. Like this Monsters Inc. one, which actually the doors open. I know. Really cool. This is a popcorn bucket from The Wizard of Oz. Like, how cool is that? Come on. Of course, a Buzz Lightyear one. I don't even want to open this one. It's a bit of a collectible item. And then we have, I'm not even going to explain this, but just know that he should be here. Obviously, we know my favorite movie is Coraline. Because of my dogs, I have the Coraline cat. I have a lot of PR on this shelf that I thought was really cool and deserved a place on my favorite shelf. I mean, who wouldn't want a giant can of tomato sauce? It's an Italian's dream. Bedazzled Lion King? Like, come on, guys. This is genius. Okay, and this is where all the magic happens. Clearly I'm following a theme, green and brown. I like woody, warm tones, yada, yada, yada. Anyway, this is the good stuff. Come. I grew up with a walk-in wardrobe. That is why I'm used to this, and you can't find it in Sydney. So finding it was like finding treasure. You will notice that everything in this closet is mine, and Austen's nowhere to be seen. Very good reason, because he doesn't have that many clothes, and I do. So Little Strong Home organized my entire closet. It took a whole day to organize, which I am so grateful for. I would do it again in a heartbeat. As you can tell, everything is folded to perfection, except for that. Everything is folded to perfection, and everything has its rightful spot. So my brain can actually find things. Everyone should do it. Highly recommend. I actually cull a lot, and I get a lot of stuff thrifted, just like this old man's jacket. I wear this every single day. I get questions about it every single day, but I don't know where it's from. It's from a thrift store. The best. I hold on to a lot of clothes because they hold a special memory. Like this, I wore when I met someone famous. I even have one of my Love Island outfits still in my closet because I just love to reminisce. And this old thing. And this is my beautiful European kitchen. Look how much space I have. Do you know how unheard of that is in Sydney? Crazy. This kitchen actually made me love cooking, or fall in love with cooking. And as an Italian, my nonna was very happy about that. You will find not one thing out of place in this kitchen. Shout out to my mum. It is literally organized from savory to sweet. Look how gorgeous that is. All right, you guys are about to get very excited. I mean, have you ever seen an under sink cupboard so organized? Mum, if you're seeing this, I've kept it clean, so shout out. I mean, look at this. Look at that. Does that not just like do something to you? I know, ridiculous. Especially because I work from home, I definitely needed a space for my work. I feel like I'm very feng shui, and I think you need to separate your work from your living space. So getting to close the door on my work room is such a game changer, and I have never had that before in Sydney. I didn't even have that in Adelaide, so I'm loving it, honestly. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out. Cora has thoroughly enjoyed it, but I have to get ready for an event, so you gotta go. Bye.